We are going to learn one word instead. What do you understand by instead? Tell me. What do you know about that?
වෙනුවට
Universal. Yes. That means instead indicates a replacement for something else. It is placed after the words that indicates the replacement. After instead, you had to place the replacement. Okay? You understand replacement? We thought about going to the beach, but went to the mountains instead. So there are two options here. One is going to the beach, the other is going to mountains. So then we selected one replacement, the mountains. We did not go to the beach. In the place of beach, we went to the mountains. You understand that? Namita? Okay. Instead of is used before the replaced alternative. We bought a truck instead of a car. Not a car, but a truck. We went to the mountains instead of going to the beach. Instead of going to the beach, we went to the mountains. The same sentence you can say either way, right? We went to the mountains instead of going to the beach. Or you just can take a noun. We bought a car, we bought a truck instead of a car, right? In the place of a car. Then instead of is used before the replacement or the alternative. Right? Car is the alternative. But we did not buy that. We bought the truck in the place of that. And in the place of going to mountains, we went to the beach. And instead of going to the beach, we went to the mountains. So you can just use that to talk like that. Okay. I will try to make friends instead of enemies. That means not enemies. In the place of enemies, I will try to make friends. I always picture myself driving a van instead of a truck. So I picture means imagine myself driving a van instead of a truck. But I am really driving a truck. But I only imagine that I am driving a van. Instead of dining out, we ordered a couple of pizzas. Couple of means a little number of, right? Not two. A little number of pizzas, not exactly two pizzas. Instead of dining out, instead of braids, she brushed her hair into a ponytail. Braids කියන එක දන්නවද ඔයගොල්ලෝ? අර කොන්න කරලට ගොතන්නේ. අන්න එහෙම ගොතන්නේ නැතිව ඒ වෙනුවට ponytail එකක් දාගත්තා. She brush කියන්නේ පීරුව. කොන්නේ පීරගත්ත ponytail එක. Right. You can be this sentence can be important because you don't know how to say the sentence, right? Instead of braids can gotala කරලක් බදින එකට වෙනුවට. She brushed her hair. Brush means combs. Brushed her hair into a ponytail. They spent all their time at parties instead of studying. Right. Now you are going to make some sentences. Please make some sentences. Lasit, make a sentence.
He makes decision with his heart instead of brain.
Okay. He prefers to listen to his heart instead of his brain when making decisions. Very good. And Janita? Hello.
Instead of playing cricket, we played basketball.
Okay. And then Kavisha?
she plays the game instead of Fells.
Amarako?
I eat bread instead of the rice and curry.
Okay. You can say I prefer to eat bread instead of rice and curry.
Yes.
Prabodhi?
I stayed at home instead of going out with my friends.
Okay. So you are pretty good. Now you know how to use them. By the way, what is by the way? What by the way can you again?
Economy.
Economic. Economic by the way. You use that. By the way, introduces a new topic or a change in the subject in the middle of a conversation. So when you are in the middle of a conversation, you want to change the subject, then you say by the way and go to a different subject. Introduces new subject. That's how you do it. Yes, I really like my new job. Now they are talking about job. And suddenly he changes. By the way, have you heard of Kevin? A job was the question, but quickly the subject was turned to Kevin. Sophia said she would take care of the dog while we are away. Like it has to be we are away, right? While we are away. By the way, are you still willing to water the plants? Are you still willing? Willing means like. Are you willing to water the plant? So like that. Can you make some sentences for this? Hmm? You say by the way. You know? Janita?
Actually, you're right. We have to change the system. By the way, what's about your new job?
Okay. That's it. That's
This
it.
meal is very tasty. By the way, can you cook?
Okay. Kavisha?
There is a very big traffic jam of the town. By the way, where are you going?
Okay. Amarkon?
I thought of joining a class last week. By the way, I had a special party.
Mm, but you are really telling, I think you didn't get the word by the way right. I was planning to join the class last Monday. By the way, I had a party. So you are talking about that and you're going to show the connection and you're not coming and having the party. But you are not really changing the topic. You are in the same topic and you are just intruding by the way there and making it meaningless. It can be something like because I was really planning to come into the party, but something like but I had a what you said? I had a I was busy or something. Right. So by the way means you can say now English language is very important. By the way, what happened to last Monday? Or by the way, what did you do? Why did you come last Monday like that? So we can change the subject using by the way. So please understand. Sabodhi?
Mm. I love your new dress. It's really beautiful. By the way, I made a cake. Do you want some?
Okay. Lasit, did you make a sentence?
Yes, sir.
You said? You told me?
Yes.
Okay. Janita also? Janita told me? Janita?
Yes, I told.
Okay. Then we move. Don't hesitate. Don't hesitate, right? You say don't hesitate is a way to indicate your willingness to be available for someone. When someone wants your help, you are there. You want to say, hey, call me, I shall help you, right? and come and visit me, I shall help you. So you want to show other person that you are available for that person, right? And you like to be available for that person, right? That when that time you use, don't hesitate. Don't hesitate means don't just think twice, right? If you have any questions about this contract, don't hesitate to call me. You can say, don't hesitate to call me. Give me more examples. Samarkon,
Yes, sir. Mm.
give an example. Don't hesitate. පස්ස ගහන්න එපා කියන එකයි.
Please, definitely you will attend to the seminar. If you have any problem, please please call me. No, don't hesitate. Call me.
Don't hesitate කියන්නේ පස්ස ගහන්න එපා. මට අදිමදි කරන්න එපා. නැත්නම් හිත හිත ඉන්න එපා. මට කතා කරන්න හිත හිත ඉන්න එපා. ඒකයි. So Lasit,
If you have experiences, don't hesitate to share with others.
okay. And Janika,
If you have any doubts of this project, don't hesitate. Please contact me.
okay. Prabodhi,
If you want to join to our project, don't hesitate to ask us.
okay. Ravisha,
If you have any troubles in this job, don't hesitate to inform me.
okay. Then who else is there? Janika, did you tell me? Janika,
Yes, sir.
okay, make a sentence. Don't hesitate to make a sentence.
I told you something.
You don't remember? Okay, then we go to the other one. See you later. See you later. See you later means something like, what is it like, Samaragon? See you later?
පසුව හුණ ගහන්න.
Yeah, but you can't translate these things, no? People, okay, that's it, translate. But the meaning, of course, you can get the translation, but actually the use of the word, phrase, you have to know that way. Right? Wait a minute, somebody is calling me. They might have failed it. Okay, so see you later is something like goodbye, right? It's like goodbye. When you say goodbye to a person, see you later is an informal way of saying goodbye. Alternative expression includes see ya. You can say later, bye, ciao, like that, right? Make some situation there. But make a situation there. Hadana make කියන්න පුළුවන් situation එක. Remove. Okay, I've got to run. See you later. I've got to run means I quickly should go, right? I've got to run. Gotta means what? What does it mean? Gotta means go to. Are you go to? Gotta means go to, right? So you sometimes say gotta, right? Got to. Got to. I gotta. I gotta run like that, right? Then comes this one. That lesson is over, right? So I thought of instead of starting a new lesson, I thought of doing some revision. It's good. Now there are some questions. This is lesson number 1, right? Lesson number 1 revision. Now I have done half the course. So every day, if I keep doing some revision, by the end of the course, I would be able to do revision of a whole course. Okay. Is Larry coming tomorrow? Yes, he does. No, he doesn't. Yes, he does. No, he won't. What is the answer?
Yes, he is.
Yes, he is. Who said? Avisha.
Prabodhi.
Prabodhi. Yes, he is. Okay. And how do you explain that? Huh? Prabodhi,
Yes, sir.
why do you use it and not others?
Because is Larry. Larry is male, so we use he. And there is he is.
Yeah. So yes, there are two reasons. One is is question. This is an is question, right? We can say this question, do questions, or any amount of questions, right? But this is a is question. The first word is, right? And then it has to be there in the answer. Yes, he is, or no, he is a negative question. But the person, the subject is Larry, so it's male. So there should be he. Then C should be the ideal answer. And next one, do you like chocolate ice cream? Tell me somebody.
I don't.
No, I don't.
No, I don't. No, I don't means B.
B.
Okay, Janita, can you explain that to me?
Because this question is starting do.
Yeah, it's a do question, right?
Yeah.
Helping verb is do question, and it's a yes no question. So you yes no question should be either yes or no. So here the only answer which carries do is B, right? And then no, I don't is the answer. Okay, next one. Are we leaving at 6? Are we leaving at 6?
Yes, we are.
Yes, we are. Is it Kavisha?
Yes, sir.
Okay, Kavisha. Can you explain that to me?
It's it start from a.
Yeah, it's an R question. So R has to be in the answer, right? So the only answer which carries R, we have two answers with R, A and C. So we have to find what exactly fits. Is that A or C, Kavisha?
C.
See, because we must be the pronoun, right? So are we leaving? Yes, we are. Okay, that's it. Okay, number 4. Number 4. Is she a lawyer? Is she a lawyer? No, she doesn't. Yes, he is. No, she doesn't. Yes, she is. What is the answer?
Yes,
Yes,
she
he
is.
is.
Yes, she is. Why do you say yes, she?
It's a is question.
The is N is question, right? N is like an is something or other N, huh? N is question. So the only question, only answer which we find is B. So it has to be yes, is. All right. Very good. Then next one. Next one. Are they are here yet? No, they are not. Yes, they are. No, they do not. Yes, they do.
Yes, they are.
Yes, they are. Okay. Is that we have two answers here. Both the answers, they are. That means A and B. I'm talking about A and B, right? C and D are out because there is no R there, right? R, then to be verb is R should be there, right? And plural verb pronoun there. So we have A and B. Why the question answer is A or why the answer is B and not the other? What is the reason? Hmm?
CD is wrong because this question is start with R, so this is our question. And I think B is correct.
B is right.
Yeah.
A is wrong. Why A is wrong?
No, A is not wrong. I think both is correct.
Both is right. But there is only one is right. Right? The other one is wrong. Give me the reason. And that is the grammar point we learn in that part. Yes. Then Samar gone.
Yes, sir.
What is the right answer? A or B?
B.
B is right. Why A is wrong?
Mm. Are there here yet? Yes, is.
Hmm?
I think both right.
Both right. Both right. Then Kavisha,
Yes, sir.
what is the right answer? A or B? Hmm?
A and B, both are correct, sir.
Okay, Lasit,
I think B is correct.
why not A?
There is not verb after the not.
Huh?
There is no verb after the not.
No, normally.
No verb.
Why they are here?
No, they are not.
Yes. No, they are not. No, they are not is wrong.
I think it's wrong.
Okay. Pramodi,
A is correct.
A is correct. Why is
Yeah.
that?
B, like they are is a contraction here. It should be separate, like they are.
Uh-huh.
I don't know.
Yes, they are. No, they are not. You can't give a right answer for that. Now, however, this one is when there is isema, something like that. Isema, to be words are those things with not. They must be contracted with not and not with the other one, right? If you contract this, you have to say no, they aren't. You have to say no, they are. No, not like this. No, they are not. You have to say no, they aren't. That's the right one. Or else you have to say no, they are not. No, they are not is right. No, they're contracted like this is wrong. So then right one is B. Okay. That's it. Then we move to this one. How do you match thank you? If somebody says thank you, what would be your answer? Thank you.
No problem.
Okay, no problem. Only that.
Welcome.
Welcome. Yes.
You are welcome.
Yes, you're welcome.
Glad I could help you.
Yes.
No problem.
Yes. Then we have three. One is no problem. The other is glad I could help you. The other is you're welcome. We have 3. I just got in Chicago. What would you say?
Awesome.
Awesome. And there's only one.
Welcome.
Welcome, no. Welcome is good for thanks. Right? I have put answers here. Number 1, ACACN. ACN. Sorry, CHN. C is glad I could help. H is no problem. Then N is you're welcome. So that is for thank you. The number 1, I just got in from Chicago. So we'll see what the answers for that. B and K. Number 2, B and K. B is awesome. Very good, awesome. And K is welcome. I just got from Chicago. Welcome. It's coming from somewhere. Right? Welcome. Welcome is there. Okay. Then are you a doctor? What are the answers?
As a matter of fact, no.
Hmm?
As a matter of fact, no.
As a
I am actually.
actually. I'm actually. Are you a doctor? I am actually.
No, I'm not.
No, I'm not. Yes, no.
Yeah, right.
Yeah, right. That means when you are just saying
Yes,
that.
it is.
Hmm?
Yes, it is.
Yes, it is. You can't say are you question, can't say it is, right? If
Sorry.
it's questions, you can say yes, it is. If it's are you question, you have to say I am. Right? Is that all? We'll see the answer. Tamaragon, you got an answer. Tamaragon? Tamaragon, have you got an answer?
Yeah, right. Yeah, right.
No answer. Number 3, AEGIL. AEGIL. See, A is okay. A, E. Is okay. I is okay. L is okay. Are you a doctor? As a matter of fact, no. Are you a doctor? I'm actually. Are you a doctor? I'm a college student from OU. Are you a doctor? No, I am not. Are you a doctor? Yeah, right. Any problems there? Next one. Sorry. Next one is tell me about yourself. So what do you write?
I am actually.
I'm actually. Tell me about yourself. I'm actually.
I am a college student from Ohio.
What else? We'll see the answers. Question number 4. Question number 4. Answer is G. Answer is G. G. G is I'm a college student over here. Next one is tell me about yourself. What are the answers?
Then you can show us a good time.
Hmm. Okay.
Awesome.
Okay. Let's see answers. Answers that answer means tell me about yourself. Tell me about yourself. අපි කරන්නේ මේ හතරද?
Fifth.
I am a
Real party animal.
party animal. Okay. What are the answers for that?
Awesome.
Awesome.
Then
Party animal means a person who likes parties. Number 5.
Canvas.
Number 6, no?
Fifth.
It's on BJK. You have to say BJK. BJK. Fifth one. BJK. B is awesome. B is. Then you can show us a good time. A. A is welcome. Next one. We are good shape financially. We are in good shape financially. What are the answers? Hmm? We are in good shape financially. Number 6. Number 6 is
Yeah, not.
B and L. B and L. B and L. Number 6, B and L. B. Oh, sorry. Yeah, right. Yeah, right. Just 2 things you can do. You should go to college. What is yours? You should go to college. Find answers from this side. You should go to college. Huh?
No, I'm not.
I am not, you can't say should be the question there. Or you can say Hmm? What is the answer? You should go to college. Number 7. Number 7, F and L. F and L. Number 7, F and L. Please, I hope I get it. L means yeah, right. That's it. Next one, you are a doll. You are a doll. You call somebody doll when you're really fond of that person. You're a doll. You are a doll. So what do you say? You are a doll. What do you say?
You're welcome. You're welcome.
You're welcome. Number 8. Number 8, CHN. CHN. You're a doll. C. Glad I could help you. CH. No problem. L. Yeah, right. Is this your doll? Is this your
As
doll?
matter of fact, no.
As a matter of fact, no. And then
Yes, it is.
yes, it is. Okay. That's number 8. Number 8. CH. Number 8. You are a doll. C. Glad I could help you. CH. No problem. CH. Yeah, right. These are the things. Right. Then next point. Is this your doll? What is the answer?
Yes, it is.
It is N. What is?
Name right.
Hmm. Okay. Number 9. AM. It has to be A. This is a doll. AM. A means as a matter of fact no. AM. Yes, it is. Last one. What does he do? What is the last one? Hmm? What does he do?
He's cooking. Cook.
What does he do?
He is a cook.
D. The answer is D. He's a cook. What does he do? He's a cook. Okay, very good. Now, write a tag answer for each of the following questions. Do you know? Tag means yes, no answers, right? Do you know? Do you work 24/7? You can say yes, no, no. That's it.
Yes, I do.
Yes, I do. Are you from New York?
No, I'm not.
No, I'm not. Do your parents live in Los Angeles?
No, they don't.
Okay. Are you a student?
Yes, I am.
Yes, I am. Is your best friend studying English?
Yes, she is.
Right. Now you had to ask the question. No, we don't. What is the question? Hmm? For an example, you can ask, do you speak English? No, we don't. Do you live here? No, we don't. Okay, make question quickly. Hmm?
Do you go to this school?
Do you?
Do you go to this school?
Okay, no, we don't. Yes, she is. What is the question? Hmm?
Is she your sister?
Is she your sister? Is she a doctor? Right, like that. Next one. No, they aren't. No, they aren't.
Are they in the library?
Are they in the library? Right. Another one. Hmm?
Do you work for this bank?
Yes. Yes, I do. Okay. Next one. Number 6. Number 5. Yes, he does.
Does he like to eat ice cream?
Yes, he does. No, I am not. No, I am not.
Are you going on a trip?
Are you going on a trip? No, not. Okay, now you are going to find answers for these questions. Right? A party animal. What is the right answer for that? You can just make a little note. I mean, you can mark 1, 2, 3, 4 these letters, and then you can select one and put in front of it number one, A, O, B, O, C, O. If there are 2, 3 ones, you can just put in front of them and then you can just check. You can see how well you have done it. Right?